In this video, I'll show you how to host Strapi on Vercel for a seamless and scalable deployment. While Vercel is primarily optimized for front-end frameworks, we'll go through how you can set up Strapi to run on Vercel effectively. So first of all, let's understand Vercel's limitations for Strapi. So before we start, keep in mind that Vercel is designed for serverless deployment, while Strapi is a Node.js backend, and then Strapi requires a persistent database, so we'll need an external database like PostgreSQL, and then you may need a Vercel's Pro plan for persistent backend functions. Now, if you haven't already set up Strapi, you can start with a code to set up the Strapi. So you can find it to Google. You can just search for it, and then your Strapi dashboard should be running with a HTTP, then localhost, then 1237. And then since Vercel doesn't support local file storage for databases, you may need to connect Strapi to an external database. So unfortunately, I couldn't show you that step because of the restrictions in the PostgreSQL. So listen carefully as I explain each step. So first, create a SQL database on Railwheel or Supabase, and then copy the database connection string and then update your end file. And after that, using your command line on your computer or desktop, install the Vercel. So you'll need a specific code for this in order to install it using your command line. So assumingly we've installed it, log into your Vercel, and then inside your Strapi project, run the program from Vercel, and then when prompted, like project name, keep it as default or rename it. And then for the framework preset, you can select other, and then for the build command, set it to npm run build, and then for the output directory, set to Vercel output, and then for the install command, set it to npm install, and then for the development command, set it to the npm run development. And then after that, configure your API routes, and since Strapi needs a API routes to be accessible, you need to add a vercel.json file in the root directory. And that's it. That's how you host a Strapi on Vercel. So while Vercel isn't the best option for full backend hosting, this method gives you a way to test and deploy Strapi APIs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.